Covenant inside. And the Ark of the Covenant is the house of the Lord on earth. This Ark of the Covenant was destroyed by the Babylonians in 586 BC. And then during the Second Temple, there was this room where it housed the presence of God. This room is called the Holy of Holies. So that temple is also destroyed. So then the Jews, they're not allowed to go on top because they don't know where the Holy of Holies stood. So for the Jewish people, this is the closest place they can get to the presence of God, spiritually and physically. Yes, it's a fact that the wall is the retaining wall from the time of the temple, but that's not the reason why it's holy. Again, the holiness comes because of the connection to the presence of God. So the first 6 rows of stone is only the retaining wall that was built by King Herod the Great to hold up the plaza on the very top. After the 6 rows, it's like you go up in history. Now you understand?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Was I clear?
Yes.
Excellent. So this is what we call the Western Wall Plaza. And unfortunately, there's a division, men to the left, women to the right. Do you know why?
I went there.
Women to the right. Why? But unfortunately, it's a bit smaller. So ladies, if you want to touch the wall, you have to make your own way to the wall. You will also notice that ladies, when the Jewish Orthodox, when they leave, they walk backwards. The idea is that they don't turn their back to the holiest site. Also, people put prayers on the wall. Rabbis will collect the prayers and pray on them 3 times a year. And they will actually bury them on top of the Mount of Olives. So if you want, you can write down your prayers and stick them to the wall. But ladies, do not confuse prayer list with shopping list. 2 different things, okay? And men's section to the left. Gentlemen, once you visit, you keep your hat on. If you do not have a hat, you can borrow a yarmulke or a kippah. And the hat, in Judaism, it symbolizes that God is over you. Humility or humbleness. It's okay. You will see this movement. Do you see this movement? It is taken from the book of Psalms. Because the human spirit is represented like a candle, flame. So this emotion, it imitates the candle movement, the fire. Sounds good? Also, they sleep. Like their only mission in life is to study and pray. So if you're reading all day, what happens? You sleep. So this also keeps them awake, aware.
So why do they wear that black dress?
Black on black, one simple reason. They all want to look the same class. No rich, no poor. All look the same.
Same fedora, those hairs.
The hair is traditional. The more longer, it's more religious. But in the book of Deuteronomy, it says that you should keep some hair, but now it's more tradition, not religious. They're called Hasidic, Haridim. You put 3 Jews in one room, you have 10 opinions.
How about the black one?
It's called the tefillin. It's also prayers. They wrap it 99 times. It's made out of leather and it's connected to a prayer box. This is old. It's an old tradition. It goes back to the time of Jesus, by the way. Inside are prayers from the book of Deuteronomy. Shema Yisrael. O God, O Israel. This famous prayer. Any more questions?
Not allowed
What?
not allowed to take the dance.
TikTok?
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Here we have
Andito ka sa harap kasi just mo titiktok. Wala ka talaga.
photos are okay. But it's not the Sabbath yet, photos are okay.
If Shabbat, photos are not.
Any more questions? Please, behind you is the toilets if you want to use. Is it fair enough? 15 minutes is fair enough?
Yes.
Yes,
1.5?
Yes.
More? 20? 17 and a half?
15 is fine.
20 minutes. This will be our meeting point in 20 minutes. What time is it now? It's 2:15.
2:12. 2:30. 2:30.